Good morning to one and all present here. As I was introduced before, my name is James Ranjit Kumar, and I have been graduated in Electrical and Electronics Engineering from JJ College of Engineering and Technology, Tiruchirappalli, in the year of 2009. As I said before, I have secured All India rank of 14 in GATE 2012 in the stream of Electrical Engineering. A few words about GATE 2012 WE paper. It was little bit tougher when compared to previous 2010 and 2011 papers. But it's not so much tougher. It is easy to the candidates who had a very strong conceptual background on their subjects. Regarding my preparation, I started it right on the Independence Day on 2011. From the first day onwards, I tried to cover all the subjects which was given the syllabus, and I given more attention to the subjects which I did not understand during my college life. And one more thing, I gave the first exam in the target test series which was conducted by GATE Forum. That really helped me to show my weakness and which subjects I need to give more focus. That will be really helpful for my real GATE exam. In the meantime, I practiced all kinds of possible problems within my subject where this correspondence materials of GATE forums are really helpful. The classroom coaching from GATE forum really helped a lot in tuning up my fundamentals, as well as one main thing we really did in our classroom coaching. We started a small study group. Within that, we shared a lot of knowledge within ourselves, so that most of the students within that study group, I secured 14 rank. One student has got a good rank in TANSET, and one student has got a good placement in a core company. Like that, for some students did not able to crack the GATE, but that knowledge really helped them to improve their future career. And as I am attending each and every target test series, I am able to improve my rank, and I can able to sustain the rank between 5 to 15. This gave me a lot of confidence that I can able to achieve a rank below 100 in the actual GATE exam of 2012. Finally, that great D-Day came on the February 12th of this 2012. As I practiced well, I had a lot of confidence. I attended the exam very calmly. What is my strategy is, first I gave the technical 2-mark section. I allotted time it for 1.5 hours. After that, I went back to 1-mark section. After that, I came back to aptitude section, and the remaining section I gave whichever problems I left. I tried to do it at the end of the last 15 minutes. So finally, I achieved the great rank, 14th rank. It was my long-time dream to get into a national reputed institution. So for this achievement, first I need to give thanks to the God Almighty. Next, I really thank my family very much, who patiently gave me a constant support for this great achievement. As I said before, GATE Forum's classroom coaching and as well as target test series was a very impressive tool for any GATE aspirant to make his pathway towards success in GATE. Lot of GATE aspirants has a frequently asked question. The same question asked to me. What the question was, which book you recommend us to prepare for GATE? If the same question is asked to anybody, they simply answer, study that book, study this book. Those books are like standard textbooks which are given under the university syllabi. But if you ask the same question to your college classmates, they simply recommend you that just study that subject in a local author book. This is the answer the colleagues will give, but the faculty will give the answer like this, study in standard author books. But what I recommend is, first study any subject, Whatever it may be, it is from electrical engineering or it is from electronics or communication engineering stream or it is from mechanical engineering. Study it in a local author book. Any local author book you can suggest, you can take it. But I am suggesting this is, create an abstract concept within your mind about that subject. But one thing I really want to tell is, do not stop with that. After creating that abstract concept, you need to further move into standard textbooks which were recommended by your senior faculty as well as it was given in your syllabus, university syllabus. Because this kind of strategy helped me a lot to increase my skills and talents. And regarding, as it was said before, I presently joined Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore. My future ambition is, I just need to explore the depths of electrical sciences and I need to use that skills for the development of mankind. This is my future ambition. So my word to the GATE aspirants who are preparing for GATE 2013 is, that is not only GATE aspirants, the real GATE aspirants who are aiming to get a top score that is within 100 or 1000 ranks, my word is, practice all the possible problems. Do not practice the same kind of problem repeatedly. Practice makes a man perfect. I do not agree with that. Right practice makes a man perfect. Okay? Practice all the possible problems. If you do the problem, if you fail in that, repeat the problem. If you can able to solve that problem, skip that and switch it to an advanced level. Consistently improve your quality. It will lead to better results. So this repeating testing and constant focus leads to best results. Because in my testimonial, I am not a IITian or I am not even an alumni of NIT or from any leading institution, top leading institution. I am just from a alumni from, I am not underestimating my college, I am an alumni from a tier 2 college. It was presently in Trichirappalli. Even though also I worked at an engineering firm in Coimbatore. I have a small time for preparing for GATE. Even though I managed to allot a time for 4 hours at the beginning of preparation for GATE, as the time goes on, the 3 months before to GATE, I allotted approximately 8 to 12 hours for preparation of GATE. So thus, this hard work really made me reach this wonderful achievement. So, if you work hard, you can also do it. So, I wish to end my testimonial with a famous proverb, no pain, no gain. Suffer now and live the rest of the life as a champion. Thank you.